Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, you'll learn how to send a video with text in a WhatsApp chat on your PC using the new updated version of the app. Whether you want to share a funny clip, a memory, or an important file, this updated method makes it super simple. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and connected to the internet. Once it's open, take a moment to find the chat where you want to send your video. It can be an individual chat or a group conversation, whatever works best for you. Next, look at the bottom of the chat window. You'll see a little plus icon beside the message box. Click on that icon and a small menu will appear with different options. From there, choose Photos and Videos. This option is what allows you to attach media directly from your computer. Now, browse through your files and find the video you'd like to share. Once you've selected it, click Open. The video will start loading into your chat window, ready for the next step. Before hitting send, you can add a personal touch by typing a message in the text box below the video preview. Maybe you want to add a caption, say something funny, or give context to the clip, whatever you like. Type it in. Once your message and video look good, click on the send button, and that's it. WhatsApp will upload your video along with the text you added, sending both together in the chat. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your video, it may take a few moments to fully upload. And there you go, you've just learned how to send a video with text in a WhatsApp chat on PC using the latest version of the app. It's a small update, but a really convenient one, making it easier than ever to share moments with the people who matter most.